beautiful white stuff. I wonder if this barking Hyundai could make it through this stuff. Yeah, I believe so. Howdy. I'm back again. Yeah, gotta put up with this. Gotta put up with this. I don't even know what. Gotta put up with this fart head again. Sorry, I had to go. Well, got the Hyundai accent here. Well, thought for the barking dog of it. Go out and peel some rubber in the snow. See how the car does. And I just got back from dropping my dad off at work. I took the Ranger, so a little spinach in it. Anyways, now it's time to test the car out. Beastly Hyundai. Anyways, we drove this car in the snow a lot before. During the New Year's Eve when we went to Lahana, we drove it in that snow, and they didn't really clean Highway 50 up, so I don't think it really even spun out. So can't complain about that. This is a front wheel drive car, and I got a toot. Is there more? Oh, I think it's done. Sorry, I had to fart. Trust me, if you hold it in, you might get terminated. Well, let's get going. Right now it's 8 degrees, or 3 degrees. So this is a cold start. I got a bunch of snow to wipe off. Oh boy. Let's see if this is a Hyundai or not. I didn't see the emblem. There it is. Yep. Got that sideways H. That means it's a Hyundai, I believe. I don't know. Alright. See if she starts. Yep, 3 degrees out. Oh, you hush. Go in there and body slam you. I don't know if that's the dog or the car barking at me. A little frightened. Oh, my hands froze, so I've got a glove on this hand. I'm trying to work the camera. Alrighty. Here goes nothing. 8 degrees. fires right off. A little slow on the cranking, but it fires right off. It's a little chilly out. Let the car warm up a little while. I think that's neutral. No, this is an automatic. I guess you call that park. No clutch. We'll get the snow cleaned off and be on our way. It's our joyride. Oh. Get my scraper. Oh. Stupid snow. Ticks me off. Yeah, got a lot of snow to wipe off. Well,